Disassembly of any electronic device involves a certain risk. Some technical skills are required to replace it. Improper operation may lead to phone damage, a fire or explosion. Before disassembling your iPhone, discharge the battery below 25. A charged full battery can catch fire or explode if accidentally punctured. Power off your iPhone before beginning disassembly. Remove the two pentalobe screws on the bottom edge of the iPhone with the pentalobe screwdriver. Apply a suction cup to the lower left corner of the display assembly. Take care not to place the suction cup over the home button. Pull up on the suction cup with firm, constant pressure to create a slight gap between the front panel and rear case. Then use a triangle plastic opening tool to separate and open the screen display. Gently grasp the display assembly and lift it up to open the phone, using the clips at the top of the front panel as a hinge. Attention, there are 3 display cables on the top of the iPhone which is connected to the motherboard. Don't put too hard to break display cables. Unscrew 2 screws with Phillips screwdriver, remove the metal piece. Place it orderly, don't mix up these screws. Otherwise, your phone may be damaged. Use a plastic spudger tool to pry the battery cable up from phone to disconnect the battery cable. Unscrew screws with Phillips screwdriver and remove the metal piece. There are 4 screws. Place it orderly, don't mix up those screws, they need to go back to the same place where removed from. Disconnect 3 front panel assembly cables with plastic spudger in turn. After disconnecting all the cables, remove the display assembly to have an easier workspace. Unscrew 2 Taptic engine bar screws with Phillips screwdriver, remove the Taptic engine bar. There are 2 strips of white adhesive underneath the battery, hold it in place. The best way to remove the battery is to roll and pull these strips out slowly with patience. Peel off the adhesive tab located on the bottom of the battery with a slotted screwdriver. Don't puncture the battery. Roll slotted screwdriver, pull the adhesive out from under the battery, toward the bottom of the iPhone. Slow down, don't hurry, you need to take your time to pull the adhesive out and remove it. Don't pull too hard to pull the adhesive away. Otherwise adhesive may be broken and cannot pull out fully. Repeat for the second strip. Install the Taptic engine bar and 2 screws. Apply the adhesive on the new battery and bend the new battery cable to slot into place easily. Place new battery in the phone. Reconnect the 3 front panel assembly cables to motherboard in turn. Make sure all cables will go back to the same place removed from and slot into place. Otherwise the phone may not work, such as touch function cannot work or damage phone motherboard and display connector. Put the metal piece back and install 4 screws. Connect the battery cable to the motherboard. It needs a little force to slot into place. Put the metal piece back and install the 2 Phillips screws. Carefully press the top of the screen into the top of the frame. Turn on the phone, make sure it is successful. If the phone cannot turn on, maybe battery is out of power, charge it for 15 minutes. If you notice the touch screen function is not sensitive, please reopen the screen and install the 3 front panel assembly cables again. Make sure cables will be put back to the place moved from and slot into places. Snap down the screen, make sure it clicks into place. Then install the 2 pentalobe screws. Thank you for watching.